Hello guys, welcome back to Subbu Soft Tech. In this video, we will discuss about how to download Thunder client in your Windows operating system, guys. Okay, end-to-end flow we will discuss, guys. So Thunder client, it is like a lightweight, guys. Okay, it is very fast. So in order to test the REST APIs, so what are the backend services are there? It is a just extension only for your VS Code, guys. If you are already using VS Code, means just download that extension. So instead of downloading Postman software separately, guys. Okay, it is a great alternative for Postman, guys. So before downloading this Thunder client, what is the prerequisite means? Definitely you have to install VS Code, guys, because within the VS Code only that extension should be available. Okay, see how we need to check VS Code is available means go to start menu and search VS Code, guys. If it is not installed, you can download the install already. Otherwise, so full video already uploaded in a YouTube channel. You can go through that video, guys. If you want to install that extension in the VS Code means, so what are the steps we need to follow means, just to open the VS Code, guys. Okay, so now, so here we have a extensions. So left side we have a extension is available or not. Yes, extensions icon is available. Just click on it, guys. Here it is showing search button, right? If that is not available, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus X, guys. Okay, so the search bar is available. Within the search bar, just type Thunder client, guys. Yes, if you see first one is available, right? We have a install option is available. Just click on install. It is automatically install that extension in your Windows operating system, guys. Just to trust that application. Yes, if you see, if you don't know about the Thunder client also, all the document is also details also available here. You can just go through that. How to create a new request, like that. What are the features of this Thunder client? There are multiple things available. If you want to explore, you can just go through all these things, guys. Yes, if you see, successfully install that Thunder client in your machine or not. This is the how we need to install Thunder client extension in your VS Code. Yes, now we have a Thunder client is setup is completed. So VS Code is ready. You can happily send the API request from this Thunder client, guys. So how we want to, if you see another extension, another icon is displayed here or not, that is nothing but a Thunder client, guys. Here if you observe here, new request is it is showing, right? Yes, so just if you click on new request button, yes, it will create a new request, guys. So what are the URL get post mapping, that is based on your mapping you can choose, and all the details you can pass, guys. This is the how we have to download Thunder client extension in Visual Studio Code, guys. Thank you.